to now administer the oath of office. You place your left hand on the Bible and raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, Allison Riggs,
I, Allison Riggs,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States.
that I will support the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
I, Allison Riggs,
I, Allison Riggs,
do solemnly and sincerely swear
do solemnly and sincerely swear
that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance
that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance
to the state of North Carolina
to the state of North Carolina
and to the constitutional powers and authorities
and to the constitutional powers and authorities
which are or may be established
which are or may be established
for the government thereof,
for the government thereof,
and that I will endeavor to support,
and that I will endeavor to support,
maintain, and defend
maintain, and defend
the Constitution of said state,
the Constitution of said state,
not inconsistent with
not inconsistent with
the Constitution of the United States,
the Constitution of the United States,
to the best of my knowledge and ability,
to the best of my knowledge and ability.
so help me God.
So help me God.
I, Allison Riggs,
I, Allison Riggs,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will administer justice
that I will administer justice
without favoritism to anyone
without favoritism to anyone
or to the state,
or to the state,
that I will not knowingly
that I will not knowingly
take, directly or indirectly,
take, directly or indirectly,
any fee, gift, gratuity,
any fee, gift, gratuity,
or reward whatsoever
or reward whatsoever
for any matter or thing
for any matter or thing
done by me or to be done by me by virtue of my office,
by virtue of my office,
except the salary and allowances
except the salary and allowances
by law provided, and that I will faithfully and impartially discharge
and that I will faithfully and impartially discharge
all the duties
all the duties
of Associate Justice of the Supreme Court
of Associate Justice of the Supreme Court
of the North Carolina General Court of Justice
of the North Carolina General Court of Justice
to the best of my ability and understanding,
to the best of my ability and understanding,
and consistent with the Constitution and laws of the state,
the Constitution and laws of the state,
so help me God.
so help me God. Thank you. I am so proud to stand here today before you, sworn in once again as your Supreme Court Justice. Thank you so much for being here today. Just so everyone knows, the formal investiture will be next month, so we will have ample time for further celebrations, ample time for me to thank all of the many people who got me here, even if it takes 734 minutes. Thank you for your trust and unwavering support. It is my honor to serve each and every one of you. Today, I am filled with hope because of the people in this room and the people of North Carolina. You chose a path forward where power stays in the hands of people, not politicians. You demanded accountability and used your voices to speak out for our constitutional rights. You stepped up to protect voters, including military members and their families serving us overseas. Thank you. I'm going to use these brief remarks to express my gratitude, but also my commitment to the voters of North Carolina. In the last 6 months of this fight, many of you thanked me for my commitment and energy in this fight. It was never an option for me to give anything less. I learned from the people who fought, bled, and died for the right to have a democracy where we all get to be heard. And the reason I was able to stand resolute, not discouraged and not intimidated, was because I knew that I stood arm in arm with you, protecting that precious fundamental right to vote. We won this election more than 6 months ago. But it was fewer than 7 days ago that this race finally ended. That's more than 180 days after Election Day, nearly $2 million spent, more than 68,000 voters' lawful votes put at risk, taxpayer time and resources wasted, immeasurable damage done to our democracy. While I am forever inspired by the commitment of North Carolinians to protect our rights, it doesn't have to be this way. Voters should not have to fight tooth and nail to have their lawful votes counted. Disappointed politicians should not use courts to try and get a different election outcome. We have before and may continue to see efforts to undermine our rights and our democracy. And just as you used your voices in this fight, I encourage North Carolinians to remember, you decide elections, not candidates, not political parties. And those that you elect are accountable to you. It is crucial for you to use your precious right to vote to elect candidates and especially judges who will put the Constitution, the rule of law, and their solemn oath above their own personal political ambitions and ideologies. As your Supreme Court Justice, it is the honor of my life to serve you, and my promise to you is that I will serve all North Carolinians regardless of whether they voted for me. I will defend the rights of all North Carolinians regardless of their political affiliation. I will uphold the rule of law and the Constitution without fear or favor. And I will always always stand up for your rights and freedoms. Thank you.